Hello, Shannon, you're on the air.
Hi. Good morning, Dr. Wallach. Thank you for taking
Hi.
my call.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. I just was told Friday by the doctor that he detected a faint heart murmur, and I had no idea. It was quite a shock, and now I'm wondering, can it heal? And if it can, what are the odds in somebody my age that I can...
Okay, well, what's your age?
71.
Okay, and how much do you weigh?
126.
Okay. Now, do you have any other issues, diabetes or high blood pressure, or are you on dialysis?
No.
Do you have any tinnitus or ringing in the ears or balance problems?
No tinnitus, but balance sometimes.
Maybe? Okay, comes and goes.
Yes,
Have you ever had
it's
Bell's
not bad.
palsy?
No.
Have you ever had Bell's palsy?
No, I haven't.
Okay, have you ever lost any sense of smell or taste?
No.
Is your vision slowly going away?
Yes, I do have bruise, and I'm told I'm in line for macular degeneration.
Okay, so you're beginning to lose some vision.
I don't notice it, but they tell me that's where I'm at.
Okay, now, one last question. Have you shrunk any in height since you were 20 years old?
Yes, I used to be 5'5", and now I'm closer to 5'3".
Okay, so you lost 2 inches. Okay, Charmaine, what's going on here?
She's got osteoporosis, obviously, and probably osteoporosis of the skull.
Yeah, because she's losing her vision. She has ONA, optic nerve atrophy. She doesn't have, let's see here, she doesn't have pressure in her eye, right, glaucoma. Otherwise, the doctors would have given her drops. She doesn't have cataracts. Otherwise, they'd immediately say, we got to do an operation. And she doesn't have macular degeneration because they're said, oh, you're going that direction. Okay, that's ONA, optic nerve atrophy. The skull is squeezing the optic nerve. Okay, she has balance problems. The skull is squeezing the vestibular branch of the eighth cranial nerve, and that's why she's got that. She's lost 2 inches in height, so her spinal cord nerves that control the rate and rhythm of the heart. Charmaine, what would you do for Shannon here, 126, 180 pounds? No, excuse me, 126 to 108.
Right. I would get her on a bone and joint pack, Ultimate Daily Classic, MSM, vitamin D3 for absorption, and she could even take that Projoint if she wanted to, too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because she has a heart issue. I would have her take 3 of our selenium twice a day. If you're going to go that route, I would give her 3 of our selenium twice a day. Not from Walgreens, because our selenium has 5 cofactors in it, which, let me ask you one more question here, Shannon. Do you have any white, gray, or silver hair?
It's starting to turn a little gray in spots.
The answer is yes. Yes, it's kind of like being pregnant. Oh, I'm only 3 weeks pregnant. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then do you have any varicose veins or spider veins in your legs?
Definitely, yes.
Yes, okay. Well, the same deficiency that causes white, gray, and hair also causes spider veins and varicose veins. It can also cause wrinkles in your skin and your face and your hands and stuff like that. The same deficiency can cause artery problems and heart problems, valve problems in your heart, okay? So that's why I want you to have exactly what Char said. Okay, it's how many of the healthy bone and joint packs you wanted to have, Char?
Just one. She doesn't weigh that much.
Yeah, okay. And then 1 bottle of MSM, so you can take 3 of those twice a day. I'd get 2 bottles of our selenium because the cofactors in there, your hair color is going to come back. Your varicose veins and spider veins will go away. And you might even grow back the 2 inches you've lost because you have degenerative disc disease, okay, which is a simple nutritional deficiency. The discs are getting thinner. The vertebrae are getting closer together, smashing roots of nerves and stuff like that. All this is due to, what does she have to give up in her diet?
Wheat, barley, rye, and oats, fried foods, burnt animal fat, and all oils.
Yeah, there you go. And so do those things. Call us every 2 weeks. Shannon, you are going to be a tremendous testimony. You're going to help thousands of people with your story, okay? Because everything you have here is a nutritional deficiency. It's all going to go away. And we deal with this literally thousands of times a month all over the world.